So we're talking about the Hansshow center console dashboard touchscreen for Model 3 and Model Y. It's in pre-order right now, and that's why I want to make this video. I've just ordered mine and I'm expecting to get it shortly. They are shipping just after Chinese New Year, which is February the 12th, right? So if you want to get one of these, get it while it's in pre-order because they're offering 25% off. I will include my code. There's a code they gave me, so if you want to order it, use that code and get the 25% off. I like all the Hansshow products, and what I like about this one, I have seen some other products where they just put like a tablet on the dashboard and there's a wire, you know, going back to charge it. This will be all cabling that it's a DIY, do it yourself, cable that you install in the car, and it's all hidden cable, non-destructive cabling, so that you can remove it at any time that you want. And it hooks right into the car, so it knows everything about your car when you plug it in. So it's not a standalone device. It works in conjunction with the car. Accepts over-the-air updates, so as they improve it, you're going to get the improvements just like the Tesla does. It's a big, wide 10-inch screen. It's Android based. It supports Apple CarPlay. It's got navigation built into it. It's got a some sort of application for watching movies. A bunch of really good things. So anyway, I'm excited about it. As soon as I get mine, I'll make a video of the installation. You know what? Recently, Tesla did an upgrade where they actually made the visualizations for the car quite a bit. It's not half the screen, but it's maybe at least a third of the screen. I'll show you in just a moment. And so that takes up quite a bit more information, just visualizations of the car as it goes down the road. So if you could have a driver information cluster screen, touchscreen, that looks very similar to the center console screen, but adds functionality that the Tesla doesn't come with, like some other apps, maybe I'm on board. So after the update from Tesla, you can see that this is about an inch wider than it used to be, just for visualizations on your car. And that's cool and everything, but look at what happens. You've got just your indicators for your signals and everything. They're quite small and they're over here in the middle. Your speedometer is up in this top corner. So if you could have more of that information over here, right between, just in this space right here. You do have to remove the dash, which it looks pretty easy. I've done some research online, but I'm excited to install it. And I just finally dropped the pin and ordered it last night. So later, but hey, let me know what you think about this. Is this a product that you would modify your car and get that center screen, or do you think it's not needed? Anyway, see you later. Bye.